Hey everyone, it's Vince here. On today's video, I'll be showing you an application that's promising that you can earn real money by answering quiz questions. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. The application is called winQuiz Trivia Quiz Game. Now, the whole point of this application is that you answer questions and in return, you get rewarded credits. These credits can then be converted into real life rewards. Now, of course, depending on your country, winQuiz may behave completely different, so please keep that in mind. I'm going to show you my experience here in Australia. So this is all the application looks like when you launch it up. You simply have the daily quiz button in the middle of the screen, and then you have something called survival quiz, which has not been developed yet. Bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the profile area. So here is where you can set a nickname for your account, and you can find statistics on the questions that you've answered in total. I'm assuming some people out there may want to see that. At the bottom of the screen, you have the missions area. Here is where winQuiz has a whole bunch of options available for you guys to earn these credits with. Watching a video ad will pay you 10 of the credits, whereas there's even a playtime rewards area, a survey area, and 2 offer walls. If you invite your friends to winQuiz, you earn 300 credits for free. Now, this is what the playtime reward area looks like here in Australia. You'll notice that I only have 2 games that I'm able to play, but you'll see here that Dice Streams is willing to pay me 9,200 credits in total, whereas TikTok's willing to pay me almost 12,000 credits in total. Heading back to the survey area, we have the survey provider Pollfish that's only offering up about 3 of the surveys at the moment for roughly 200 or so credits each. We then have the fiber offer wall. Now, the fiber offer wall, I always say this on most of my videos, guys, I really don't like the fiber offer wall whatsoever. I really think it has low paying offers, at least here in Australia. Maybe in your own country, these offers may be a bit more better, but definitely not here in Australia. I would skip it if I was you, if you see rates like this. Now, this is the ad gem offer wall. While the rates definitely aren't the best I've seen, they are pretty average at that, and I'm happy with them for now. I'm hoping that winQuiz will actually increase their reward rate as soon as possible, because I feel like a lot of countries out there are going to be severely limited, and I would like to know your feedback in the comment section below, by the way, on what kind of offers that you have available in your country on winQuiz. But all in all, can't complain too much with AdGem. Pretty stock standard stuff here. This is what the referral area looks like on winQuiz. You can see here, tap invite friends or share your referral link to earn 300 coins when your friend uses winQuiz. 1 friend equals 300 coins. This is my referral code, but you'll find one in the description of this video as well. The rules state though that your friend must install winQuiz for the first time. You will receive 300 coins once your friend has collected 100 coins. Coins are credited daily at midnight, so you won't get them straight away. You will have to actually wait until midnight, it seems. Alright, so now you understand the basics of winQuiz, let me just show you the cash out methods and how much each credit actually represents in real life currency. So this is the cash out area on winQuiz. What you'll notice here is that we have an Amazon gift card for $10, and that equals 12,000 of the credits. So the way that I would break that down personally here in Australia is that around 12,000 credits equals $10 of real life currency for most of these gift card options. But you can see here we have Amazon, Kohl's, JB Hi-Fi, Kmart, it just keeps on going and going. We even have a Google Play Store card at the bottom of the screen there for $20, while we also have PlayStation and even Xbox and Netflix. Now, you'll notice that some of these cards are grayed out, and that's because they're currently out of stock, so keep that in mind. Let me just play the daily quiz now so you can see what it looks like. There is a timer at the bottom of the screen and a health system on the top right corner where it seems you get 3 tries. So we now have the question, what animal feeds almost exclusively on bamboo? We'd select pandas, of course. It seems you get 5 credits per correct answer as well. As I was talking though, I wasn't able to answer the first one, but I'm fairly sure it was 119, by the way. Which American town was famous for its witch trials? I'm fairly sure that's Salem. Yes, I was correct again. So that's good. You get 20 questions, by the way, it seems, per day. What color do you get when you mix red and yellow? We'll tap orange. Yep, correct. Nice. Where is Angkor Wat located? You can see here that the questions are in all type of topics. So it says oil, natural gases, and coals are examples of, we'll go, fossil fuel. There you go. See, I have no idea what this one would be. Which sport is played in Roland Garros? I mean, I'll just pick rugby for now. No, that was wrong. I have no idea what that would have been. Alright, so there you go. You answered 4 questions and earned 20 of the credits. Next quiz is available in 11 hours and 34 minutes. And now back on my profile, you can see I have 25 of the credits. So pretty much you're not going to be making big money from the quizzes themselves. You'd be making it from the various offer walls that are supplied on winQuiz. My advice to you is definitely check out the playtime rewards area first, because I'm sure you get some pretty decent games there at least. Here in my country, I can say that, but maybe in your own country, it might be a bit different. And if it is, I'd go straight to add gem, because I know a lot of people out there would avoid completing surveys unless they absolutely had to. I personally like completing surveys though, so it's different for me. So here are my thoughts on winQuiz. While I find that it is a fun and pretty simple application, I can definitely appreciate all the various cash out options they have here in my country, and I am hoping that they have the exact same options for you in your own country as well. Top right corner of the screen, you can see that there's a little information button. Tapping on that will bring up your wallet. So if you're curious about your earning history, winQuiz does have it. But let's just say you're purely to use the quizzes to earn the credits. I mean, if you're able to get 20 out of the 20 questions correct, you'll earn about 100 of the credits, right? But when you have a minimum of 12,000 credits needed for a cash out, at least here in Australia, you're pretty much going to have to play for an extremely long time to ever generate enough credits for one of these gift cards. Hence why I feel the actual quiz area of winQuiz is kind of just put in there for fun, and the real money's generated by the missions area. Maybe once survival quiz is implemented, it might get a bit better, but if you can't complete these offers, you're kind of in a bad situation on winQuiz. From Gala Mix, were the same people that brought you WinWalk. And if you guys don't remember what WinWalk was, it's the money-making application that paid you to walk. Not only that though, they have the exact same credit system as winQuiz. You can see even WinWalk has the missions tab and the shop area. I've reviewed WinWalk in the past, by the way, and I had no problems whatsoever with it. It paid me out instantly when I cashed out. If you guys want to see that review, you're more than welcome to check it out on my YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to it in the description below as well in case you're curious. You can set your profile picture as well on winQuiz, but I find that does nothing. Now on the Add Gen offer wall, I thought I'd let you guys know that most people probably skip out on the categories option at the top of the screen. You can see here, you can actually browse between the offers, so going from most popular, highest paying, and then easiest. Something I have to say though about some of these offer walls, even though it claims they're the easiest, they generally do have quite a bit of work involved with them. And that goes to pretty much any of the offers on any offer wall, guys. Remember, you're leveraging your time for the reward, so you want to try and get the best dollar for your time, and I can't stress that enough. Like this race car 3D offer for 2,400 of the credits, I would consider this actually a relatively easy offer. All you need to do is play the game and get to level 26, guys. And generally these casual games are actually quite easy to complete, they just play a lot of advertisements. Keep in mind here though, it's for new users only, and I always get questions from you guys saying, why don't offers pay you when you play them on other applications or platforms? It's because technically they do have tracking, and if you use the same account, they can see what offers you've completed. So this has probably happened to you before. You've completed an offer on a platform, but you weren't rewarded for it, and you're wondering why. Generally, that's the main reason I found that people have issues with. They don't realize that these offer walls actually track your account. You can see we can get 3,500 of the credits for reaching level 25. So while winQuiz definitely isn't the highest paying application out there, and it pretty much is the most standard pay rates I've seen. If you guys enjoyed, please hit like if this video helped you, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Catch you around.